Access and manage servers and workstations from anywhere, at any time, via the Internet. SpiderDuo. The Lantronix SpiderDuo is a unique KVM over IP solution. It gives you full keyboard, video, and mouse control of your computer via the Internet. Its space-saving design allows it to be placed virtually anywhere, and its external design allows BIOS-level access without the need to install additional software. But the SpiderDuo is more than a typical KVM device. Its local port allows you to add remote management without sacrificing local access. This dual local and remote control capability is perfect for kiosks, point-of-sale equipment, ATMs, training centers, or any other situation where the computer will be in daily use and simultaneously maintained by a remote IT staff. With the SpiderDuo's optional power control unit, you can turn on or turn off the power to any device over an internet connection. And a virtual media function allows remote users to share local directories and redirect local drives so they can transfer files, install patches, and perform upgrades remotely. The SpiderDuo also includes Lantronix Virtual IP or VIP access technology to allow seamless integration with the ManageLinks Remote Services Enablement platform. Use SpiderDuo along with ManageLinks to securely access computers behind firewalls without a VPN, additional software, or changes to existing firewall settings. With ManageLinks integration, you can access SpiderDuo-equipped computers at different locations as though they were all on your local network. And the SpiderDuo is certified IPv6 ready, so you're covered for deployment options virtually anywhere. The Lantronix SpiderDuo. Secure remote access, uninterrupted local control, remote power options, simple installation, all in one compact package. Think it, connect it, control it with Lantronix SpiderDuo.